Today, I'll demonstrate what to do when a PSV controller ceases to charge. Take apart the gadget. There's 1,000 tutorials on it. How is it accomplished? Today, I'll demonstrate. That's the reason. I had taken it apart earlier. We're unplugging all ribbon cables. We now have the controller in front of us. Problems occur when the gadget is mishandled, like dropping it or hurling it against a wall. Whatever. The battery is situated here. A piece of plastic that applies pressure there. Allow me to show you a more detailed demo using the screwdriver. Click on this. Now only 2 solder points can be seen. Pulls off an SMD component. Hence, surely the module needs to be fully charged. Now, you can go ahead with the next steps in disassembling the devices. Proceed here and have a glance. There's a component somewhere. Use an SMD soldering iron to solder it in, and the device should be operational again. If you can't find the component and this isn't the case, it seems like a serious situation. You then can consider taking out the battery and charging it in a different way. If you like it, see you in the next video.